Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to expose you how you could make over 100 greenbacks in keeping with Dawar Instagram. So this technique is certainly useful and it works. I am going to show you evidence later. So simplest thing you need to do is you need to have an Instagram account, and clipping account the entirety is unfastened, so don't worry about it. And if you like these sort of films, do not neglect to press that thumb up button so I am getting notified which you like these kind of videos and I must create more films like this. And also consider to press that subscribe button because we upload motion pictures every day in this channel, so remember to do it. And what I also suggest you is to check out my associate advertising course. It's for 75 off. Hyperlink is within the description, so I sincerely also endorse you to test that out due to the fact it is on sale. So earlier than we begin, I'm going to expose you proof. So right here we will see on a February 4th I have got almost $25 earnings. I was just trying out this Instagram out, and it was my small Instagram account with I think 3,000 fans, so not anything truly unique. Engagement isn't surely that massive. So right here you can see on February 5th I've got almost $18 income, and ultimately once I began doing significantly this approach right here, you may see I have were given 120 nearly over $120 profit. So right here you can see this is without a doubt smooth way to make over 100 greenbacks, and I am going to show you guys grade by grade how you can do this. So to start with, we're going to join up for clipping account in case you do not have one. So we're going to click on create account. Is absolutely smooth and it is likewise free. So what is largely loose bank, we are going to sell other human beings products or a commission, and this is the whole commercial enterprise model. We are going to do it here. So we are going to click on affiliate marketplace and we are going to look for the goods. And earlier than I display you a few some area of interest that I suggest I want to tell you guys is do not all of the identical element, don't properly do not select the same product due to the fact it's far no longer truly the satisfactory when you have to replicate every single step of this approach, because you don't need to sell the same product as me. We need to check it out with different products. You can also comply with this equal product if you want. However, for instance, if this video has 1,000 years, 1,000 human beings are going to try to sell identical product in order, that isn't always clearly satisfactory idea. So let's click I am in cooking, meals and wine. This is the area of interest I suggest, and I pay attention a touch. Instagram account with I assume it is 2,800 fans. Am no longer truly positive. I need to check that out. So a small Instagram account and it's far around cooking. So I discovered the little product in cooking. I am now not going to show you the identical one. However, as an instance, we're going to attempt it out with this product. So this product we are going to give away, we are going to offer away book, and for this book giveaway we are going to earn $6.88 on common according to sale, and also there providing out US average repeal, so which is likewise outstanding, so that you are going to run some month-to-month commissions from this product from your purchasers. So let's have a look at how this touchdown page looks as if. So this touchdown page looks like pretty high quality, as you could see into your purchasing information. Claim your free book. It's miles without a doubt first rate landing web page, as you can see. Truly like it, definitely enjoy it. So it is ideal product for our techniques. And what are we going to do now is we are going to create a free netly internet site, so that you are going to kind to your Google search internetlead.com, and you are going to go into your email deal with, and you are going to see a page like this. So you want to sign up. It's also, as I stated, free, so you do not should fear approximately it. And we are going to, whilst you see a page like this, you'll click on not now. So we do not ought to pick something here because we are going to in all likelihood delete the entirety. But let's consider, let's assume this one, it doesn't depend So we are going to wait a few moments to create our internet site. So we're going to register a site call so that you do not need to check in the domain name at fees, and in case you already have domain call you may use it, but I simply propose you to apply a subdomain. You may use a free Weebly website, and we can use allows type free back. Let's consider free book giveaway, loose book giveaway. We're given a Weebly com looks nice to me permits. Click on preserve. So what we want to do is we want to click on pages, and we need to create a brand new page. I am going to right here K9 giveaway and click carried out. So permits construct our web page. So get your ebook free of charge, simplest restrained time. So that is our little sales pitch. So you don't want to write a lot of words for your touchdown web page. You need to preserve it easy. You may bold it. You may trade the shade of the textual content. So let's assume we're going to upload something, music, and what are we going to do now? Is we are going to go into right here photo, and before we do it I need to inform you is don't use pics from the internet websites like this, due to the fact possibly they're going to ban you because they do not permit to use snapshots from the website. So you want to contact this affiliate, you want to touch the seller of this product, and you could locate, for instance, right here in associate tools, you can touch him to offer you with pics, and you can locate right here as an example. Right here is their mail cope with, so you want to promote them mail. Ask them if they are able to offer you a few photographs for this product, or a number of the products have already got associated affiliate tools. They provide you with snapshots. For instance, let's consider this one. So this product presents you already affiliate pics that you could use, which is extraordinary. I don't know why this product does not assist Shelton. Am now not simply certain why they do not offer you any snapshots. So you will touch them. You're going to ask them to send you some photographs if they can, and will, for example, going to use this one. However, in no way do this, because this is not clearly an excellent component, and they're all likelihood going to be mad if you use these sort of pics. So we're going to simply deliver an instance and put it right here. However, in no way do this, due to the fact earlier then you asked the vendor of the product, and we want to enter some space among space, and let's have a look at, we need to enter some area between this and right here. We are going to add additionally a touch bit area, and what are we going to do now could be we are going to enter button. So here is the button, very simple. Claim your ebook now without spending a dime. Shall we say click right here for and get book now without cost. It's far not certainly the nice encompass permits. Say take here free of charge ebook now, and what we need to do is, because the whole lot is white, we need to alternate the color of these buttons. So let's say we are going to place, oh my god, I didn't save it. So you need to put in the middle, and also you want to place additionally, for example, this black button, because it looks better due to the fact the entirety is white already, and also you want to additionally place a few space. So shall we say spacing, and it appears pretty pleasant, and this would be our touchdown page. So what we need to do now is we need to click on sell, and you are going to enter right here your 3 financial institution account nickname, and you're going to get affiliate ID, associate hyperlink. Sorry, and while you get your associate link, you're going to click on photo right here. But as I stated, I'm going to inform you once more, guys, by no means use this image from the product earlier. Then you ask the product proprietor or dealer, so by no means use it before you ask them. And what are you going to do? You are going to enter right here also link website URL, and you are going to enter it here. So this will be our simple, maybe I need to. So this is probably 8. We are going to click on submit, use 3 Weebly. Hold, and we're going to click on our website. So you want to delete all of these pages and store most effective ebook giveaway as an example. And here we can see right here we are with our small ending page. You want to feature a little bit extra textual content here. I do not want to waste time. I don't want to be this 15-minute video, but when you click as an example this right here, you're going to get redirected in your affiliate link. When you click at the image, we're going to also get redirect for your affiliate link so after they see the page, this page, if they buy the product, if they get it, totally free if they pay for transport or something. I am now not sure how this product works. However, if they get this free book, you will learn $6.88. So this isn't honestly the first-rate landing page you may create, but it is going to be sufficient for what we're going to use it. And if you need to create a higher touchdown webpage, you can also use ClickFunnels. The hyperlink may be in description. However, it expenses $97 per month, and that I suppose it's far less difficult to not spend cash and use this free touchdown webpage. It isn't the higher one. The very last one is a good deal. Hire it. Looks a good deal, a lot professional. However, if you do not have money to get started out, that is the correct one for you. And now what we want to do is we need to create Instagram account, and we are going to look for cooking pages. As an example, this page here, you could see they're imparting some cooking recipes, and also you want to invite them to give you a shout out, and additionally to place a swipe up in their keep of their tail with your website. And when they click on your web page, they're going to see this Get Loose ebook, and they're going to click at the hyperlink, and in all likelihood they may be going to get the product you can check out. You want to see an engagement of these movies, so here we are able to see nothing sincerely special. The engagement for these posts are not clearly that extraordinary. It has 16 views, so I would not pay lots, for example, for this net. So for this influencer to sell our offer, but as an instance, I'm able to deliver them $20 or $15. I do not know, so you need to check out these huge pages, and they're going to create your own cooking page as an instance. In case you are in cooking each, and you are going to invite them for shout out on their web page, that you provide a loose book with recipes for, I do not know, first Baron Beaverbrook butter, I don't know, it's far a sort of organic weight reduction plan, so that you are going to inform them that you provide this 150 recipes book that you offered them without cost, and they may be going to promote your for instance, you may displayed with 1 million at 600 subscribers. He has only 24,000 perspectives. However, the one that I confirmed you later with 100,000, it has a half of that views, which isn't always. Honestly, I do not definitely understand 16,000 visitors. However, on me the other page is 16 instances larger than this one, so that you do not need to sell on pages with long engagements. You may see this video, yes, I think 1 billion perspectives, so that you need to, for example, test this influencer out, and you are going to see in case your promotion goes to work or not. I don't assure you to make 100% cash, because I don't know how your money page goes to appear like or something like that, so I'm not genuinely positive if you are going to make any money with this method. In case you don't want to pay the influencers, you can click on fans, and you want to observe all of the fans that they follow this webpage. So you want to follow the fans of this webpage, and they're going to test out your Instagram account. However, if you do not need to do that, it's far lots a good deal professional and works lots higher if you pay the influencers to sell your offer. And this influencer seems pretty quality, as I will inform, due to the fact he has pretty exceptional engagement and perspectives for this kind of films. As an instance, you may see he got 1 million views on this video in 2 days. That's fantastic, and that might be it for these days, guys. What you need to do is, do you want to create a landing web page? You want to sell? You want to create your Instagram account with some of the pictures is a number of the random pictures of recipes or cooking, or it doesn't absolutely rely. And also you want to promote, you want to position a link right here as an instance to your bio, where they may be going to click on it and get redirecting your touchdown web page. In order, that might be it for these days, men. If you want these kind of films, don't forget to press the subscribe button